Hey everyone, welcome back to part 2 of the build of LEGO Ultra Agents Toxikita's Toxic Meltdown. It's a tongue twister, so you have to say it slow. I especially had to say it a lot slower. Toxikita's Toxic Meltdown. So this is what we built in part 1. This was basically everything from instruction book number 1 and bag number 1. So we're going to go ahead and move on to instruction book 2. And bags 2 and 3. So there's bag 2, in case you don't believe me. Here's instruction book number 2, in case you don't believe me. Let's get it on. So it looks like we're gonna have our other minifigures. The other 2 minifigures in this bag. Toxikita's kind of semi-plasticky rubbery hair. And then our top hat. Or the other goon. I'll give him his name. I'll have to look up what his name is, but that's the goon. So we'll do a minifigure review of the set. So we're not gonna spend too much time looking at the figures right now. We're just gonna focus on the build. But definitely make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that review that we're gonna do of these minifigures. Okay. This goon gets the little space gun. That's him completed. And Toxikita gets a little blaster gun. That we're gonna put a fluorescent trans yellow round brick and a black stud on there. So there's her blaster. So those are the final 2 minifigures of the set. Put them to the side. Now let's get this build going. Or get it completed. We already had it going. Got some Technic brick action going on. And our big helicopter skids. And a lot of lime green and kind of what I like to call kind of mustard yellow. looks like it was the build of the rear kind of engine block, if you will, right there, of this vehicle, whatever it is, vehicle. Okay. Nothing too crazy of this build, it's just a lot of slightly different techniques using these plates with the studs on the side. So there's a lot of bricks going in different directions, which is pretty cool. I like that. These are basically little front wings, little flapper things. Alright, the instructions show to make 2 of these. So I'm going to go ahead and make them both at the same time. each one connects on the side there. So that's pretty cool. Some more of the mustard yellow. I accidentally put that in the wrong spot, and now everything's falling off as I'm trying to fix it. Alright, so there we go. All fixed. Piece goes there. Two of the engine block exhausts. Alright, so this is going to complete bag number 2. Just like that. Only had 3 extra pieces from bag number 2. So, we're not going to waste any time. We're just going to go ahead and get right into bag number 3. Alright, so we're going to start off with some little Technic beams with Technic friction pins. This is going to hold the whole chassis of this helicopter together pretty well. Really not too many pieces in this bag, so we're getting pretty close to being finished with this model. So you can see all the Technic pinholes we have from the various Technic brick pieces that we connect these. And now, see, I'm pulling this apart and it's not coming apart at all. It's not even budging. So that's the beauty of the Technic pieces. Really holds everything together well. There's our cockpit window. It's actually pretty cool. Actually looks better than it does on the box. Anyway. Okay, we have a little chain. All right. Next up, some more Technic pieces. Two of these new little flexible hoses with the little, I guess what you would call the flag pins, so we can attach a Technic piece to it. Put it in that Technic pinhole. And wrap it around and put it in this brick with the little hole in it. There we go. Alright, now we're going to build two of the big engine pieces. A lot of Technic elements in this third bag. So I'm not complaining. I'm a fan of Technic. Alright, I was wondering what was in this box. So this is our little rubber band. Open that up, dump it out, that's all that's in there. Giant box. Little bitty rubber band. And we'll fling it across the room. That's what we'll do. Wrap it around each one of these little balls. Little toe ball pieces. And then this connects right back here. So that creates this little squeeze, little pincher action there. More technique. Oops, oh, making a mess. Making a mess. Where's that? Oh, got pushed way over there. So we've got this huge little, well, it's not huge and little, but it's like this rib cage thing. It's basically a bionicle piece that we're going to use to connect some sort of toxic ball bomb thing. Alright, so this goes all the way up under there. Next is the top propeller. Up and down. Okay, and last but not least, all of our little radioactive ball pieces. Get dropped in right back there. And you slide that thing to hold it down so they don't fall out back. Oops, sorry. So see this red piece goes like that, and if you have it up, they'll all come out, but you push it down and it holds them in. And of course, don't shoot your eye out with the falling balls. So that's it for bag 3, and that also completes the entire model. So if you saw part 1, you saw the little lab area built already. And then part 2, we built Toxikita, her little flying enemy ship or whatever this thing is, enemy helicopter. So there you go, pretty cool little set. We'll do a review of the set. Also, we're going to do a video featuring all the minifigures, so we'll look at all those in depth. But I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss all those other videos we're going to do with this set. And don't forget to see all of our other videos. Our Instagram page, we had pictures of this set before it was even on YouTube. We took pictures of it as we're building it. So follow us on Instagram. You'll see what's coming up on our channel. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.